Hello and welcome back to SANPoint Institute Belagavi. This is Priyanka. So you know that the students doubts or question series is going on. So like daily I am taking one question asked by our students, and most of you will be having the similar doubts. So that's the reason I am taking those questions and I am making a special video on those individual questions. So ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ one question ಏನೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so whether the upcoming BBMP, that is KPSC paper, compulsory kannada paper, will be MCQ or descriptive. So most of the students ಇದನ್ನ doubts ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತಾರು because there was lot of confusion for KA compulsory kannada exam, for KUWSSB exam. So but KPSC ದವ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ descriptive exam ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So here in this you will be having like letter writing, essay writing, then passage reading and answering, then translation, basic grammar. So e type questions irtavu. Out of 150 you have to score compulsorily 50, and if you don't score 50 marks then you will not be eligible to write technical as well as general studies paper. Even if you write, your paper will not get evaluated, remember that. Okay na? So tilitala, the KPSC compulsory kannada paper will be descriptive, and even we provide the course for this. So we provide like for descriptive as well as for MCQ pattern. So if you want to join, you can join. Like if you don't have confidence and all, because ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾರು ಲೈಕ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆದವರು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ GS ವಾಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಮಿಸ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದ್ನಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಐ ಮಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, that is really good. You need not join the class. But ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಡೌಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸೊಳಗೆ, we have like very reasonable fee structure. You can join our compulsory kannada course and I will 100% assure you that you will pass this exam at any cost.